Good morning, student. How are you? Today we solve chapter number 20, that is area and parameter of the plane figure. Okay, so first we start from the triangle. Suppose the one triangle is ABC, and three sides are there, A, B, and small c. Means AB is equal, it is given A, BC is equal C, and AC is equal B. It is given. Then suppose you have to find the area of this triangle. So we use Heron's formula. Okay. So first we find the half parameter. Half parameter means A plus B plus C by 2. This is the half parameter. Okay. Full parameter means A plus B plus C. Parameter of triangle A plus B plus C. Then half parameter will be A plus B plus C by 2. Now we find the area by Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula of area of triangle. S is equal what? S is equal half parameter, and S minus A means the first side, B means second side, and C means third side. This is the Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So with the help of this formula we can find the area of the particular triangle. Understand? So this is the first formula for finding the area of triangle. Okay, second case. Suppose second case is when triangle is given right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. Understand? One angle is 90 degrees, so it is the right angle triangle ABC. Suppose this is the A, this is B. Okay, so area of right angle triangle ABC is equal 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, when right angle triangle is given, so you have to find the area of triangle ABC by 1 by 2 base into height. So base is what? B, and height is A. So the area will be AB by 2, means 1 by 2 base into height. So with the help of this formula we can find the area of right angle triangle. Understand? This is the second formula. Okay, the third case when equilateral triangle is given. Equilateral triangle means a triangle having all three sides are equal. A, B, C. A, B, C one triangle, it is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all sides will be equal. The formula of area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into side square means A square. So this is the third formula to find the area of the triangle, equilateral triangle. Now in the fourth case, when isosceles triangle is given. Isosceles triangle means when two sides are equal in the triangle and one different side. So this is the isosceles triangle. So to find the area of an isosceles triangle, the formula is 1 by 4, okay, 1 by 4b into under root 4a square minus b square. Understand? 1 by 4 into b into under root 4a square minus b square. So this is the area of isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides equal and one different. So we can easily find the area of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so from exercise number 20A, exercise 20A, question number 1 is find the area of an triangle whose sides are 18 cm, 24 cm and 30 cm. Also find the length of the altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. Okay, so three different sides are given. First side 18, second 24, and third 30 centimeter side. It means we have to use the first formula, that is Heron's formula, because all three sides are different. Means first side is 18, second 24, and third 30. So first we find the half parameter, means a plus b plus c upon 2. 18 plus 24 plus 30 upon 2, that is 72 upon 2 is equal 36. Now we use the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So value of s 36, 36 minus a is equal 18, 36 minus b is equal 24, and 36 minus c is equal 30. Now solve it. So 36 minus 18, 36 minus 24, 12, and 36 minus 30 is equal 6. Okay, now we have to solve it. So factorize this. 36, 6 into 6, 18, 6 into 3 into 6, and 12, 6 into 2, and 6, 3 into 2. Now make a pair to factorize this, to find the square root of this. So first pair is this, second pair is this, and 2 and 2 one pair, and 1 3 and 1 3 pair. You know how to find the square root of the particular number. So one pair is this, means 6, second 6, and third 3 and 2. 6 is the 36, 36 into 6, 216. Means area will be 216 centimeter square. Okay, you can use any other method. You can multiply directly, then you can find the square root, or you can make a pair, then you can find the square root of this. 216 will be the, this is your first part answer, that is the area of the triangle. Now we solve its first question, second part. Also find the length of the altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. Larger side is 30 centimeter. So make one perpendicular on this. We have to find this height. Okay. So now use the second formula of area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So area is same because triangle is same. So area we find the 216 centimeter square. So the area will be same, 216 1 by 2. Base is given 30 and height we have to find. Now solve it. So 2 15 times h is equal 216 upon 15. Now divide this. So 14 1 14, 15 1 15. 14.4 centimeter means height will be 14.4 centimeter. So this is the question number 1 completed. Okay, so first we have to find area by Heron's formula, then we find the height on the highest side of the triangle. So this will be 14.4 centimeter. Okay, now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is the area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. Area is given 36 root 3 of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay, so find the parameter of the triangle. So what is the area of triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is equal root 3 by 4 into side square, and area is given 36 root 3, so we can equal both the values. Now root 3 and root 3 cancel, 30 the cross multiply, 36 into 4 is equal side square. So side is equal square root of 36 into 4. The square root of 36 6 and square root of 4 2 means 12. Side will be 12 centimeter. Means area of then equilateral triangle will be 12 centimeter. Now you have to find the parameter. Parameter is equal 3 into side, because all three sides are equal, so we can, this will be the formula for the area parameter of the equilateral triangle, 3 into side. So 3 into 12 means 36 centimeter. Parameter of the equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter. Or you directly add, means 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal 36 centimeter. So you can directly add, or we can use the formula 3 into side, so to find the parameter of the equilateral triangle. Understand? Note down this question.